Got the zeros at your crib. Close your eyes, girl. Look inside, girl. Let the sound take you. Walk to Brownsburg High School on any given day, and the word chaos certainly comes to mind. It's a whole different kind of chaos that Chief of Police Jenny Wayne brought us here to see. About 2,400 students. She showed us safe rooms like this one. It's on an interior wall. Where right on cue, it started to go.
This is a drill. This is a tornado drill.
Okay, quietly line up, please. Within seconds, Miss Stefanik's second grade class is lined up in the room and walked into their safe spot. The students already lined the hallways in Valley Forge Elementary gets covered. Miss Stefanik's class moves to a room with no windows and does the same. Then, about 3 times the lights go out. Principal Sussman ensures all 150 students are in place.
But that is
1 minute and 45 seconds is the goal. Principal Sussman congratulates the students on the job well done and reminds them why they had to do the drill.
Mine's so flat, still you're watching this movie, instead of getting wipe you
Saves
all
the
out.
lives of her students at Briarwood Elementary. Ed Lavendera tells us what she did to protect the kids in her care.
I think I'm gonna listen.
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world,
Oh, come on! Got to throw a
It's a
paper down.
nightmarish moment. This is video of a
Oh,
first grader
man,
dangling from the
dude.
school bus after her backpack was caught in the doors. The Kentucky bus driver has no idea that the 7-year-old is trapped. Thank goodness she survived. Incredibly, Inside Edition has found 31 incidents, including 2 deaths of kids dragged by their school buses. Just how strong are those doors? They trapped and crushed just about everything we tried to put between them. This can of soda literally exploded from the pressure. With their parents' permission and under the supervision of the experts, we loaded up the bus with a bunch of noisy kids. Then we carefully closed the school bus doors on the backpack of 8